Let us study oxidation number. Or oxidation state. Oxidation number or oxidation state. Charge carried by one atom in compound. Charge carried by one atom in compound. Charge carried by one atom in compound is, for example, NaCl. Na plus 1, Cl minus. What is the oxidation number of sodium plus 1? Chlorine minus 1. Sodium plus 1, chlorine minus 1. Certain rules are there to find oxidation number, oxidation state. Okay. First rule 1. In free state, one kind of atoms. Free state means one kind of atoms. Oxidation state of any element is 0. Any element is 0. For example, P4 0, Na 0, S8 0, O2 0, O3 0, gold 0. Your elementary state. One kind of atoms it is 0. One kind of atoms it is 0. Second one. In compounds. What are compounds? Two types of elements are there. AB, AB2, AXBY. In compounds, oxidation state of alkali metals is +1. Alkali metals is +1. Cool water. Oxidation state of alkali metals. What are alkali metals? What are alkali metals? Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. These are alkali metals. This compound LiCl +1, NaOH +1, K2O +1. Alkali metals. Okay. Rubidium carbonate +1. Okay. Lithium, sodium, rubidium. Cesium chloride +1. Okay. In compounds, alkali metals show +1. What are alkali metals? Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. They show +1. Next B. In compounds, second group elements. Second group elements. How many groups are there? 18 groups. Second group elements. What are second group elements? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. Second group elements show +2. What are second group elements? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. For example, beryllium oxide +2, magnesium halide +2. Compounds. You can take compounds. Two or more different elements combined in definite proportion by mass. Two or more elements combined in definite proportion by mass to form compound. beryllium, magnesium, calcium carbonate, calcium plus 2, strontium chloride plus 2. Okay, second one, in second group element show plus 2 in all compounds. In all compounds, it is better all compounds. First group element show plus 1 in all compounds. Universal oxidation state. Chlorine shows minus 1 in all compounds. In all compounds. Okay. OF2 minus 1. NaF minus 1. O2 F2 minus 1 in all compounds. In all compounds, chlorine show minus 1. In all compounds, chlorine show minus 1. OF2. Chlorine take for one atom. One atom. One atom. Oxidation state for one atom. Chlorine shows minus 1. Chlorine shows minus 1. Okay. Next one D. In compounds, hydrogen mostly show minus 1. Sorry, hydrogen mostly show plus 1. Hydrogen mostly show plus 1. In compounds, for example, H2O plus 1, H2O2 plus 1, H2SO4 plus 1, HSO, next one, SCl plus 1. Hydrogen shows plus 1. In compound, hydrogen show plus 1. Next one. In compounds, oxygen mostly 99% show minus 2, which is oxidation state. H2O minus 2, CaO minus 2, K2Cr2O7 minus 2. Example, H2O, oxygen minus 2, calcium oxide minus 2, potassium dichromate minus 2. Okay. These you have to keep in the mind. Okay. Hydrogen plus 1. Okay. Oxygen minus 2. Chlorine minus 1. Yeah. Algebraic sum of oxidation numbers of all atoms is equal to charge. Algebraic sum of oxidation numbers of all atoms is equal to charge. All atoms. For example, H2O is there. 2 into plus 1 plus 1 into minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Algebraic sum of oxidation number of all atoms is equal to charge. Charge is 0. OH minus 1. Here minus 2 plus 1. Minus 1. Oxygen minus 2, hydrogen plus 1. Next one, PO4 3 minus, phosphorus plus 5, oxygen 4 into minus 2 is equal to minus 3. Equal to minus 3. CO2 plus 4 minus 4, 2 into minus 2 is equal to 0. algebraic sum of oxidation states of all atoms in compound, all atoms in compound. Dg. Okay, add all oxidation numbers. Add all oxidation numbers, you will get charge. Add all oxidation numbers. Okay, then you will get charge. How many hydrogens? 2 hydrogens, 2 into plus 1. How many oxygens? 1, 1 into minus 2. What is net charge is 0. OH, oxygen minus 2, hydrogen plus 1. So net is equal to minus 1. PO4 3 minus. Phosphorus plus 5. How many oxygens? 4 oxygens. 4 multiplied by negative 2 is equal to minus 3. Carbon dioxide. How many carbons? 1 carbon plus 4. 2 oxygens, 2 into negative 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Sum of all oxidation numbers is equal to charge. Next one, in amalgams, oxidation state of any metal is 0. Any metal is 0. Amalgam means metal plus mercury. Then Na2Hg 0, 0. Zinc amalgam 0, 0. Metal plus mercury is amalgam. Metal plus mixture. Metal plus mercury is amalgam. Metal plus mercury is amalgam. Oxidation state of metal is 0. In metal carbonyls. Metal carbonyls. For example, FeCO taken 5, metal carbonyl, it is 0. NiCO taken 4, it is 0. Okay. In metal carbonyls, oxidation number of iron is 0, nickel is 0. These rules we have to keep in the mind. Rules means everyone has to follow to find oxidation number. Okay, there are 7 rules. You have to keep these rules in the mind. Okay. Let's find the oxidation state of manganese. Here, how many elements are there? 3 elements. Potassium, manganese, oxygen. 1 potassium, 1 into plus. 1 manganese, 1 into this. 4 oxygens, 4 into this. Here charge is 0. Here no plus, no minus means charge is 0. 1 potassium, 1 into plus 1. 1 manganese, we don't know X. Let oxidation number of manganese be X. 4 oxygens, 4 into minus 2. So plus 1 plus X minus 8 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 7. X is equal to plus 7. Okay. Oxidation number of manganese is plus 7. K2Cr2O7. What is the oxidation number of this chromium? Potassium dichromate. Okay, how many potassiums here? 2 potassiums. How many chromiums? 2 chromiums. 7 oxygens is 0. Okay. Potassium is alkali metal. Show plus 1. Here chromium X. We are finding oxidation number of chromium X. Minus 2. Plus 2 plus 2x. 7 multiplied by minus 4. So 2x is equal to plus 12. X is equal to plus 6. X is equal to plus 6. Oxidation number of per atom. Keep that point. Per atom. Per atom means X. X means it is the charge carried by one atom. Is plus 6. Potassium dichromate. Suppose you take phosphate, PO4 3 minus, phosphorus X, phosphorus X. How many oxygens? 4 into minus 2. X is equal to plus 5. X is equal to plus 5. Phosphate. Fourth one, NH4 plus. Ammonium ion. What is the oxidation number of nitrogen? What is the oxidation number of nitrogen? Nitrogen X. Here 4 into hydrogen plus 1. Hydrogen plus 1 is equal, total is plus 1. X plus 4 is plus 1. X is equal to minus 3. X is minus 3. Okay. Oxidation state of nitrogen is minus 3 in ammonium ion. Next one. I take the sulfate H2SO4. What is the oxidation number of sulfur? Tell me, how many elements are there? 3. Hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen. How many elements? 3. Hydrogen. It is plus 1. 2 into plus 1. Hydrogen. Sulfur X. Oxygen minus 2. 4 into minus 2. Equal 0. X plus 2 minus 8 is equal 0. X minus 6 is 0. X is equal to plus 6. So it is the way to find oxidation numbers.